Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel English Stories with me. And today I am going to tell you how to speak fluently English. Hello, my amazing person. Today I am here to tell you something that will change your life. Listen to me carefully. English is not difficult. English is not impossible. You can speak English fluently and you can do it faster than you think. I know many of you feel nervous when you try to speak. You hesitate, you get stuck, and sometimes you don't even try because you are afraid of making mistakes. Maybe you have been learning English for years, but when the time comes to speak, you feel like your mind is empty. You know the words, you understand English when you read or listen, but when you have to talk, you freeze. I understand this because I have also struggled with learning a new language. I know how it feels when you want to say something but you don't have the right words. I know how frustrating it is when people speak fast and you can't understand them. But today I want to tell you, you don't have to struggle anymore. You don't have to feel stuck because I will teach you how to learn English in the easiest and most natural way. From today, I want to forget everything that made English difficult for you. Forget about complicated grammar rules. Forget about trying to be perfect. Forget about fear because the biggest reason people fail to speak English is not a lack of knowledge, it is fear. Fear of mistakes, fear of embarrassment, fear of being judged. But let me ask you a question. How did you learn your first language? Did you study grammar books? Did you memorize long list of words? No. You learned by listening, by copying, by making mistakes, and by using the language every day. This is exactly how you are going to learn English. You don't need to study English, you need to live English. English should not be something you practice for 1 hour a day and then forget. It should be a part of your life. You should hear it, think in it, and speak it every single day. Now, I know you are thinking, but how do I do that? Don't worry, I will tell you everything in detail. I will not just give you tips. I will take you on a journey where English will become easy and natural for you. So let's begin. Step 1. Thinking that English is difficult. The first and most important thing is to change your mindset. If you believe that English is difficult, your brain will always resist learning it. But if you are start believing that English is easy, you will learn much faster. Think about a baby learning to walk. The baby falls many times, but does he stops trying. No, he gets up and tries again. And after some time, he starts walking without any force. This is exactly how learning English works. Mistakes are a part of learning. If you are not making mistakes, you are not learning. I want you to say this with me. English is easy. I can speak English. I am learning every day. These words are very powerful. The more you say them, the more your brain will believe them. From today, never say my English is bad. Never say I cannot speak English. Instead, say I am learning and improving every day. This small change in your thinking will make a big difference in your learning. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, my all dear friends.